3, 2, 1, cut.
I am beyond excited to be here today to join JCPS leaders, educators, students, and community members to celebrate the launch of 3 Verizon Innovative Learning Labs.
So much fun. Like, you just learning new things and learning how to code and putting all robots together. It's so much fun.
The Verizon Innovative Learning Lab program empowers Verizon Innovative Learning Schools to become hubs of innovation by providing emerging technology, a tech-infused immersive curriculum including augmented reality, virtual reality, and 3D printing.
Honestly amazing. I like being able to learn young and being able to learn while I can without me having to do this while I'm older and not knowing what to do at all.
Thank you all for believing in JCPS and making these high-tech learning experiences available to our students on a daily basis. I don't know if there's many middle schools around the nation that get this opportunity, and JCPS students do. Giving students access to this as a part of their curriculum is important because it will help them prepare for a world and jobs that rely so heavily on technology.
It's like an earring check because I have a lot of earrings, so I'm kind of gonna need like a separate box all for my earrings.
I think it's really cool because you can create an image in your head and then make it happen in real life.
I'm like a really creative person, so I take like whatever in my mind and I kind of just build it.
This lab is not just a collection of state-of-the-art equipment and cutting-edge technology. It is a gateway to a world of discovery and innovation, tailored to ignite the passions of our young learners and equip them with the skills that will serve them throughout their entire lives.
As they collaborate on their projects, they are learning to value each other's ideas, share responsibilities, and build on each other's strengths. When students work together, they challenge and inspire each other, leading to a richer and more diverse range of solutions.
Thank you to Verizon for making all of this possible. You were great to work with from the start, and we will be eternally grateful for everything you did for us. You are truly shaping the future of our students here at Carrithers, and we could not thank you enough for what you've done.